那么接下来各位就是激动人心的一刻，我们有请我们亚太区工业标准服务器总经理、全球副总裁 Steven Bobbitt 先生为我们揭开Gen8服务器神秘的面纱。有请 Steven。Thank you.
Hello everybody. Let me bring together what you've already heard, and I'm going to do it in a very visual way. Successful businesses need to move faster and be more agile to outpace their competitors. And citizens are expecting governments to create more opportunities and to provide better services. According to IDC, the top 3 things on a CIO's agenda for this year are: number 1, focus more on business strategy than IT strategy. Number 2, better align IT to business. And number 3 is actually drive an innovation agenda within their organisation. And this is particularly true here in China, where most of the opportunity exists. And then when this is multiplied to any size data centre, most companies that I speak to state that 70% of their IT budgets are consumed by manual operations. This only leaves 30% for IT and business innovation, and clearly this is not sustainable. So let's step into the future. A solution is the new ProLiant Gen8 servers. As the industry leader in this region for the past 20 years, it is our responsibility to continue to produce new technology and innovations to address this evolving business opportunity. And in designing Gen8, we tasked our engineers to pinpoint improvements in these areas. We've incorporated intelligence, automation, with over 150 innovations spanning across 900 patents. With ProLiant Gen8, there are no more CDs, no more DVDs. All the needed drivers, firmware and tools are preloaded. From the moment you connect the power and networking cable to a new Gen8 server, you will notice the difference. Today, the fix is in a matter of seconds. After the boot up process, provisioning takes place at the push of a button. From power up to provisioning, 3 times faster deployment, 45% less steps, and 4 times rich data reporting. Okay, with significant gains in the boot up and provisioning stage, these benefits are multiplied across your whole server fleet. ProLiant Gen8 servers achieve continuous health monitoring, and we do this by managing or monitoring over 1,600 individual system parameters. Each and every event is logged with absolutely no performance impact. Ultimately, what this does is maximise your uptime. Inside Online is a cloud-based portal. This aggregates all that health and system status information I spoke to. This information is available anywhere and any time and from any device. Additionally, when you enable the Insight Online support feature, it connects rich data directly to HP or a HP partner, overall reducing your problem resolution time. Here you can see how Insight Online can help you track your warranties and also your support information. When it comes to updating servers, we've automated this process too. User interaction 3 times faster. Scheduling, staging and deployment can align with your service windows. Pick the releases that you need. It's fully flexible. We actually call this Smart Update. So I've already introduced a few of the innovations. Let me take the lid off and show you a few more. We all heard from Intel earlier, a fantastic new processor. ProLiant Gen8 is fitted with the latest Intel Xeon E5 processor, which offers 80% improved performance, increased I/O, and improved performance per watt. This processor has been enhanced, however, by unique HP technology. We call it Smart Socket. The number one reason for server motherboard failure is due to bent pins. Watch how we've resolved this issue. No more bent pins. So I spoke about performance gains from the new processor. However, balanced performance is critical. In the past, storage I/O performance was typically the number one bottleneck. We've addressed this too. In addition to performance, we've made other improvements with storage. We've doubled the capacity, and we've added enhanced redundancy levels that were previously only available in high-end storage arrays. We've also addressed a very big issue: data loss due to a user accidentally pulling out a drive whilst it's in a rebuild process. 4 to 5 times a week, HP receives a call to our call centre where this issue has occurred. With ProLiant Gen8, we've added a warning icon on the smart carrier to notify the user not to pull out an active drive. Customers who have deployed our previous generation 6 or 7 servers have enjoyed massive power savings due to our patented sea of sensors. As you heard before, sensors are strategically placed on the board to measure hotspots, activating the cooling fans only when needed, and also turning off power to those slots in the server not being used. In Gen 8, we've enhanced this by what we refer to as 3D sensor placement. This improves accuracy, resulting in further savings. In fact, 10% more than our previous generation. Well, that equates to about $1,800 a year on each 10 kilowatt whack. So think about these benefits that I've shared with you today. In fact, this opportunity exists across your entire environment. With our converged infrastructure strategy, we bring in storage, networking, services, security, data center technologies, and management to actually address the key issues of complexity, energy, and uptime across your entire infrastructure. IT is core to any business or government. HP enables you to become faster, more responsive, more competitive and successful. By deploying HP Gen 8, HP will give you and your business the leading edge. Thank you.